What's up, people? Today I'm gonna show you how to make buttons like this. They are pretty simple to make, and by the way, Discord uses them on their loading screen. First, I've created a button with text shift. Now I need to somehow define them in app CSS. So we define a button. In button, we define some styles. First, we define border to none. So because the button has a border, and we don't want it, we want another border. So now we just delete the border that is already there. Now we have to set display. We set display to inline block. We set padding to 5 pixels and 10 pixels. Now we need a border button, so we can create 3D effect, and we set this to 6 pixels. Now we don't see anything because we don't have set a border color. Now we set a solid color and we set the color. Now we can just set a border radius to make rounded corners, and we set them to 8 pixels. Now we can set a background color of the button, and we set them to classic Discord color. Now we can set a color of the text inside the button. So I set this classical Discord color again. And also we can set a font size. I chose 16 pixels. Now we can set the cursor if we hover the button, and I set it to pointer. Now we can set the position of a button, and we set the position to relative. Also, I would set the overflow to hidden because we don't want any scroll bars inside our button. Now I would set the font to bold because Discord has it also bold, so let's make it the same. Now let's make the 3D clickable effect. So we create button active, set here a border button to none, and that's all. Now what we can just do is just to go on our page and click the button.